Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up downloader on your Firestick so you would be able to download all kinds of applications to your device, the ones which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the search bar on your Firestick and get the app code downloader to your device. So just start entering downloader in the search, and as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You gotta click on it, and now that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader on your Firestick, we'll need to go to the settings on your device by clicking this button with a gear icon. So click on it, and then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now what you have to do in here is turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So, if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only the ones which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your device, we open it up, wait a bit, and now here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Czech Republic right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and then head straight into downloader application. And now in downloader, usually when you try to download something from the internet, you either have to enter a link to get that file, so you just open the search bar and enter the link, or alternatively, sometimes you might find a code which allows you to directly download some kinds of applications from the internet. So in my case, I'll show you how to use a code. So now I got a code to download Tubi TV application to the Fire Sticks. So the code for that would be 74068. Here we go. Just enter the code. After that, you click on Go. And now you have to wait until the download of the application starts to your Firestick device. So as you can see, we just waited a bit, and now the download of the app has started. So usually that does not take long, but of course, It all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so that took us only a couple of seconds. Then you click install and of course wait for the app to finish installing to your Firestick device. And after it is installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on the Firestick, you would open it up, wait a couple of moments for it to properly load, and now here you will see the app that we have downloaded to your device. So that's the easy way to set up Downloader and use it to download APK files from the internet to your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.